Vicestock offers a comprehensive solution for creating and managing your own microstock marketplace. Built on PHP Laravel, it provides a robust platform to handle unlimited photos, users, downloads, reports, and more, making it ideal for businesses looking to establish a professional stock image marketplace. Main features: 20 plus payment gateways, integration with a wide range of payment providers for seamless transaction processing. Language Manager, easily manage and translate your platform into multiple languages to cater to a global audience. Unlimited plans and packages, create flexible pricing plans and packages tailored to different user needs. Earning facilities, comprehensive tools for users to earn through photo uploads, downloads, and referrals. Levels and badges system, gamify user engagement with levels and badges based on activity and achievements. Support tickets, efficient ticketing system for handling user queries and issues. Image management, manage pending, rejected, and approved images with ease. Download history, track and manage user download histories for transparency and reporting. Collections management, enable users to organize and share collections of images. Deposit history, detailed logs of user deposits for financial transparency. Referrals management, reward users for referring others to the platform with robust referral tracking. Two-FA security, enhance platform security with two-factor authentication for user accounts. Followers and following system, foster community interaction with a built-in following system. Transactions history, comprehensive logs of all user transactions for auditing and analysis. SEO Manager, optimize your marketplace for search engines with built-in SEO management tools. And more, additional features to enhance user experience and administrative control. Vicestock is designed to be scalable, secure, and user-friendly, providing all the essential tools to launch and manage a successful microstock marketplace. If you want to buy PHP script, then click on the link in the YouTube video description.